Welcome, this is my channel Try to Understand Mathematics. Now I will provide chapter wise some question for joint IIT exam. My topic is limit. First we have to know limit of a function. What is limit of a function? Suppose D be a subset of R and let us assume f be a function, real valued function from D to R. Then we write limit extends to C f of x equal to L. That means when value of x when approach to C, then functional value will be L. What is physical interpretation? When we draw this picture, we see, suppose this is fx, when x equal to C, this value will be L. When C minus epsilon, this will be L minus epsilon. When C plus epsilon, this will be L plus epsilon. So we here see L minus epsilon less than f of x less than L plus epsilon for all x belongs to n dashed C epsilon. Here we consider delta also. Here epsilon get at 0 and delta is also get at 0. Okay, n dashed means C of neighborhood delta, where excluding C point. Okay, for limit we have to know another result, where what is L hospital rule. This is very important for calculate any limit. When we use L hospital rule, when the form is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form, what type of form? When form will be 0 by 0, plus minus infinitive by plus minus infinitive, 1 to the power infinitive, 0 into infinitive, infinitive minus infinitive, etc. Okay, when this limit will be in this form we call indeterminate form. So when this form occur, we here derivative numerator and denominator with respect to x, and then we calculate limit. Okay, understand? Let us take a problem. Here limit extends to 0 sin pi cos square x by x square. This value will be minus pi or pi, either pi by 2 or 1. So when we put x equal to 0, then cos 0 means 1, sin pi means 0. Again denominator also 0. So here form is 0 by 0. So here we apply L hospital rule. What is rule? We derivative numerator and denominator with respect to x. So this derivative will be cos pi cos square x and pi into 2 cos x, and derivative is cos x is minus sin x. This is 2x. If we write this in simplest form, we get minus pi cos square x into sin 2x by 2x. Again see, when we put x equal to 0, then numerator will be 0 and denominator is also 0. So here again we apply L hospital rule. Again we derivative numerator and denominator with respect to x. So derivative of sin 2x will be 2 cos 2x plus sin 2x into derivative of minus phi cos square x, and this is 2. Here we have no required to derivative this term, as when x equal to 0, then this term will be 0, and this term, whatever, this term also 0. So this will be minus phi into cos 0 means 1, cos phi means minus 1, into cos 0 means 1, 2 by 2. So this will be pi. Okay, our option B is correct. Again take another problem. When limit extends to 0, tan x minus sin x by x square, this limit will be either 0 or 1 or half or minus half. When we put x equal to 0, this will be 0 minus 0 means 0, tan 0 means 0 by 0. So here again we apply L'Hospital rule. So when we numerator derivative will be tan x derivative sec square x minus cos x by 2x. Okay, we put x equal to 0, then this will be 1 minus 1 means 0, 2x means 0. We apply L'Hospital rule. So this will be 2 sec x tan x, so this will be sec square x tan x minus cos x, derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so this will be plus sin x by 2. So when we put x equal to 0, this will be 0, this will be 0, so 0 by 0, this will be 0. So our option A is correct. Okay. Here limit extends to 0, 1 by x sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square equal to 0, 1, 2 or 3. First pause my video and try to yourself. Suppose let x equal to tan theta. As x tends to 0, so theta must tends to 0. So this form will become as this, to sin inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square means sin 2 theta. So sin inverse sin 2 theta means 2 theta. When we put theta equal to 0, so this will be 0, tan 0 means 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So we here apply L'Hospital's rule. So this will be derivative of 2 theta 2, tan theta means sec square theta. So this will be 2 by 1. So that is 2. So our option C is correct. Let us take another problem. Limit extends to 0, 5 2 plus 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by 5 minus 2 minus 1 x whole to the power 1 by 5 by sin hyperbolic x. Limit extends to 0 will be 1 to root 2 to the power 1 by 5, either this, either this. So pause my video and try to yourself. When we put x equal to 0, then this will be what? 2 to the power 1 by 5 mean minus 2 to the power 1 by 5. So this will be 0. Or sin hyperbolic 0 means 0. So this is 0 by 0 form. So here we apply L'Hospital rule. Okay. So this means what? 2 plus x whole to the power 1 by 5. So derivative will be 1 by 5 into 2 plus x whole to the power 1 by 5 minus 1. So this is minus 4 by 5 minus 1 by 5 2 minus x whole to the power minus 4 by 5 into this derivative will be minus 1, so this will be plus. Derivative of sine hyperbolic x is cos hyperbolic x. So this becomes so when we put 0 x 0, so this will be 2 to the power minus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 2 to the power minus 4 by 5. Cos hyperbolic 0 means what? 1. So this will be 1 by 5 into 2 to the power minus 4 by 5 by 1. So this equal to 2 to the power 1 minus 4 by 5. So that is 2 to the power minus 1 by 5 by 5. So this is by 5. So our option D is correct. So please like my videos, share in your friends and subscribe my channel to get my video at first. Okay, let us take another problem. The values of constant a and b, so that limit extends to infinity x square plus 1 by x plus 1 minus ax minus b equal to 0 given. So here value of a and b will be 0, this. First pause my video and try to yourself. So this limit can be written in simplest form. This is will be LCM. So this is x plus 1 minus 8. Okay. If we write this in structure, this will be x square means 1 minus a plus x h minus a minus b, or again this limit is 0. So here when we put x tends to infinity, so denominator will be infinity. So to get this result 0, so we must this two term will be 0. This remaining term by infinity means 0. So this in infinity into something, so this term and this term must be 0. So to this term 0 must we take 1 minus a equal to 0 and minus a minus b equal to must 0. So for this condition we get a equal to 1, and putting this value we will be b equal to a means 1. This is b equal to minus 1. So our option B is correct.